Hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a lawyer in the state of Alabama, and I want to talk to you about a very common question that families have, and children in particular have, when thinking about, should I do some planning for my parents' long-term care? And here's the question: will my parent get bad care in a nursing home if Medicaid is paying for it? And part of the reason this question comes up is we tend to think of Medicaid as, oh, well, that's just for people who don't have any money and they're going to get lousy care, and I don't want Medicaid paying for my parents' care. Well, a couple issues. One, a nursing home in Alabama is typically $6,000, $7,000, maybe $8,000 a month. So very few of us have the resources to just stroke a check every month for $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 and do that for the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years in a nursing home. So Medicaid pays for about maybe 75% of all the beds that are in a nursing home for long-term care. So we're not talking about somebody falls or in the hospital, they go to a rehab facility, which is really a nursing home, for a couple of weeks. We're not talking about that. We're talking about long-term care in a nursing home. So here's the simple answer. No, they will not get bad care just because they're on Medicaid, because most nursing homes take Medicaid and private pay. Here's the key, the difference. Does family visit the person in the nursing home? That's really the simple matter. If we visit a family member in a nursing home, they're going to tend to get better care than if we never visit in there. So I was just speaking with somebody recently that their mother was in a different state and they're an only child, saying, well, what do I do? Well, one thing is, you probably, if they're going to a nursing home, you probably need to move them to where you are so that you can visit them, so you can go by there. Because when the staff knows that you're going by and visiting and you're observing and you can sense that there are changes maybe in a bad direction happening, then they're going to get the best possible care. It's kind of like being in a hospital. You don't want to spend the night in the hospital by yourself. You want somebody, some family, some friend to be there with you. So that's, not really legal stuff. That's just very practical advice. So again, go back to our question. Will your loved one get very bad care just because they're on Medicaid? No. They'll get bad care if you're never there. But if somebody in the family or some family friend is visiting on a regular basis, then you'll get the best possible care. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you have questions and you live in Alabama, or maybe you have a loved one in Alabama that you're wondering, how do we do long-term care planning? What about Medicaid? What about VA benefits? Just give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can find out more, and you can also contact us through alabamaelderlawyer.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.